Alright, welcome back to our live. This is the Battle of La Salle Green Hills versus La Salle Zobel. Ma'am, same na lang po. Same lang po yung gamit ko. Wala kasi ano. Opo. Di na sinagana eh. Apa, yung Facebook ko mismo ma'am, Facebook ko. Hindi, ngayon po, ngayon. Apa, Facebook. Ay, ito po. Number 34 to number 8, and there's a foul. First shot, no good by Ojeda. Second shot, no good. Rebound, number 17. Almeida, outlet pass to number 34. No good. Rebound. Number 8. Pass to number 1. Cruz. Basket. First basket para sa La Salle Green Hills. Mula yan kay Thiago Cruz. Number 11. Steal by Cruz. Outlet pass, no good. La Salle Zobel basketball. Almeida. Backdoor pass to number 34 with the post. Oh, there's a foul. Number 17. From the corner, no good. Rebound. Number 13, no good. Rebound by Cruz. To Ojeda. Pass to Cruz. Bad pass. Bola dito ng La Salle Zobel. Almeida, nabitawan, steal by Ojeda. Outlet pass. Out of bounds. Thiago, no good. Number 21, and basket is good. Shout out. And kasama natin sila Mayor Francis Zamora. And PM Almeida. Oh, sorry, that's number 17. First basket para kay number 17 of La Salle Zobel. Number 34, pass to Cruz. To Ojeda. To Cruz, bounce pass to Cruz. The twin brother. Ay, sabi mo? Sorry, agad na. Kanina pa kasi. Link ka lang sa Facebook ko. Yung Facebook. Hindi ka lang. Kasi alam ko kanina po, yung YouTube kanina, try ko, ang dahang. Hindi ko masishare. Yung best na ginawa namin kanina ng Savior. Kaya ayaw na. Kaya nanood din sa Facebook. Nagkaroon ng technical dahil sa... Pero nun, basta ito, masasave ko naman to. Bibigyan ko ng copyright, ha? Thank you. Oh. Salamat po. Ayan, back to the ball game tayo. Oh, Heda. Oh. Okay ba yun, ano? Okay lang ba yun? Substitution. Pasensya na po for interruption. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Ojeda. Pass to number 28. Number 28. Evangelista. High pick up with a strong drive basket. Number 14, 4-3, no good. Stop and pump, too strong. Rebound by Cruz. Outlet pass, derecho, too strong. Ayun na, number 14. Stop and pump, no good. Cruz. Oh! And that's it, traveling violation. Steal by number 77, Oriel. Pass to Evangelista. Noah! Zamora with the first basket by Noah. Zamora, ay, low. Ay na, number 12. Bagong hairstyle kasi di ko napansin, sorry. Ayan, shoutout po kay Ma'am Carrie Zamora and Mayor Francis Zamora is watching. Number 67. Backdoor pass to number 14. Stop and pump. No good. Rebound. Oy, no good. Rebound by Evangelista. Outlet pass. Number 28 to Oriel. Basket by Oriel Martin. Time out. LaSalle Zobel. Fisher scores 13-3 in favor of LaSalle Green Hills. Shoutout po kay Mama, Mrs. and Mr. Almeda. is watching then from La Salle, Zobel. Ayan na, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. This is the Battle of La Salle sa ating Bayan Basketball League. Ayan na, if I'm not mistaken, 1-0 na dito ang La Salle Green Hills, and this is the first game ng La Salle Zobel. Ayan na, La Salle agad ang kanilang unang kalaban. Back to the ball game. Number 10. Number 7 to number 12. Uy, that's a traveling violation. Ito po. Oriel Marty. Oopsie. Cruz, strong drive, no good. Rebound, Zamora, no good. Nagagawan, uy. Battle of the center. Evangelista. Ayan na ang trap defense ng La Salle Green Hills. And there's a foul. Bounce. La Salle Zobel basketball. Number 10. Number 67 all the way, no good. And out of bounds. Last touch. Time remaining 1 minute and 27 seconds. Bola dito ng La Salle Green Hills. Marty Oriel. Oriel, derecho, war pass. Ooh. There's a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 4, Noah Zamora. First shot is good para kay Noah. Second shot. Hey, 2 for 2 para kay Noah Zamora. Ayan na. Good defense with the drop. Nakalusot. Number 7 to number 12. Ay. Second shot by jersey number 12. No good. Rebound. Marty. Uy, good hustle. Yun lang, traveling ang tinawag ng ating referee doon. Session na po sa oras, sasabay. Last 50 seconds. 50 seconds remaining. Number 12. Setting on the play. Number 7. In the guys sa corner, number 14. Pass to number 7, top of the key, 4-3. Uy, no good. Rebound by Noah. Pass to Marty. Oriel. May tanga na bola. Oriel bounce to Evangelista. Another steal by number 14 to number 10. Last 10 seconds. 7. Number 12. Walang tawag. But there's a foul. Last 2.3 seconds remaining. Foul dito si si Marty Oriel. On the free throw area. Jersey number 12. No good. (15-4) po tayo. Second shot by number 12. No good. Rebound by Marty. That's the end of the first quarter. Official score 15-4 in favor of LaSalle Green Hills. Ayan, tingnan naman natin ang huddle ni coach ng LaSalle Zobel dito. Oh, wait lang po sir.
Anong age?
Wait lang po. Alright, second quarter tayo. 15-4 in favor pa rin sa mga naka-green shirt. Loki Cruz, pinasok na rin dito. Almeda, basket is good. Ayan na, kakapasok pa lang. Uy, bad pass. But mayroong foul ang itinawag kay number 7. LaSalle Green Hills basketball. Zamora Noah. Mag-inbound ng bola. Kanino ibibigay? Kay Loki Cruz. May tanga ng bola and there's a foul. Loki to Cruz. Pass to number 8. Tumira, wala. Out of bounds. Number 1. Oy, no good. Rebound Rebound by Evangelista. Kick out. Pass to Cruz. That's a traveling violation. Almeda to number 8. Uy, what a fake. What a shot by number 8. Time out. Lasal Green Hills. Umahabol ang Lasal Zobel dito. Yan natin ang huddle ng coach ng Lasal Green Hills. Time remaining 6 minutes and 52 seconds. Back to the ball game. Six minutes and 52 seconds. 15-8 ang ating talaan. Cruz, Loki. Tahan ng bola. Pass to Cruz. What a pass. Zamora Noah. Teardrop, no good. Rebound by number 8. Pass to number 17. Number 17, nagmamadali. Tinigay sa corner. Jam shot, too strong. Rebound by Almeda. What a save by Almeda to number 14 from the 3. The rebound by number 14. Ayan na, down by 4. Noah basket! Nakabawi dun si Noah Zamora. Ayan na. Number 17. Ooh. There is a foul. Lasal Zobel basketball. Almeda tatanggap ng bola. Almeda binigay. Nakuha. Naka-recover ang Zobel. Pass to number 14. Number 14 to number 8. Back to number 14. Pass number 17. Oh. Out of bounds. Lasal Green Hills basketball. Loki Cruz, may tangan ng bola. Cruz, floater, wala. Rebound by number 12. Steal by Cruz, all the way, basket yan. By Loki Cruz. Ayan na, ang Zobel, gustong makabawi, kick out. Nabitawan, steal by Cruz. Pass to Loki. Loki. Basket yan. By Loki Cruz. Back-to-back basket. By jersey number 24. Another steal. Number 10 naman ang gustong bumawi. No good. Rebound by number 14. Number 14 nagmamadali. Pass to Almeda. Almeda with a strong drive. Offensive rebound again. Almeda. And there's a foul. And the shoot on the line. Jersey number 9. Almeda. Ayan. Shout out, shout out. Ayan, sa pamilya Almeda. Napaka-supportive din para sa kanilang future star sa larangan ng basketball. No good ang kanyang first free throw. Second shot para kay Almeda. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Ayan na, nagagawa. And that's a jump ball. Green ball. Cruz. Pass to number 1. Tiago, block. Steal by number 8. Pass to number 3. Number 28. Pass to top turn. No good. Rebound. Makakuha ni Cruz. Low key to Tiago. Tiago. Up and under. And there's the foul. Jersey number 1, Cruz on the free throw area. Second shot para kay Cruz. Tiago, basket. 22-11. Almeda. Out of bounds. Tiago, Cruz. Tiago, sidestep. Boy! That's a traveling violation. Kitang-kita yun ng ating mga referee. Ayan na. Uy. There's a foul. Number 28. Pass to Almeda. Almeda, and there's a foul. Number 34, Evangelista. That is second personal foul. Shooting in the line, jersey number 9, Almeda. Ooh, sayang. No good. Second shot para kay Almeda. Number 9. Yes, sir. 23-11. Ayun na. Number 57. Number 57. Paso Evangelista. Evangelista to Cruz. What a pass! Ayun na, number 3. Pass number 17, Merchant. Ooh, to number 28. Block from behind. Makakuha ni Evangelista. Outlet pass. Ooh. Bad pass. Bola mapupunta sa Lasal. Zobel. Ayan na. Si tatanggap ng bola, si number 17. There we go, the double team. Merchant pass to number 28. Number 28 to Almeda. Almeda. Ayan na, inaararo. Pinasa, tumira, wala. Rebound by Thiago. Cruz, steal by number 8. Number 13. Ooh, bad pass. Time remaining 1 minute and 2 seconds. Cruz. Paso Evangelista, no good. Out of bounds. Bola dito ng Lasal Zobel. Number 13. Pass to Almeda. Outlet pass. For extra pass to number 17. Back to. Oy! Block by Evangelista. Number 17. Tumira. Basket. Ayan na. Cruz. All the way. Nakabawi agad doon ang Lasal Green. Out. Lasal. Official score 27-14 in favor of Lasal Green Hills. Tingnan naman natin ang huddle ng Lasal Zobel dito. Alright, back to the ball game. Double. Ayun na, tao-tao na sila. Last 24 seconds sa ating first up. Matatanggap ni Almeda. Kaya na ang double team. Merchant. Oh, sorry, that's Paran. Shooting on the line, jersey number 17, Paran. Oh, good. Second shot para kay Paran. Basket. Na 27-15. Cruz. Pass number 57 to Evangelista. Cruz sa ilalim. Almeda. Pass number 8. Oh. End of the first half. Official score 29-15 in favor of the Lasal Green Hills. Cut muna natin ang ating live for the meantime at magbabalik tayo para sa ating third quarter. Double check ko lang po ang ating live. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood and God bless everyone. Battle of Lasal. Sino kaya ang unang makakatanggap ng panalo?